and AK is having a ball because he's just tripping.
Yeah. And that was our lovely intro from AK. We are doing a nacho edition. It is AK's favorite meal, so we're all going to commemorate her today by actually doing nachos. So what we're going to do is we're going to do 3 different types, and we're all going to explain what we have in our nachos and basically how we're going to load them up. So again, if you have not been to our channel before, we're going to introduce ourselves. I am Jay, late to everything. We have beautiful Nani over there in the corner, and then we also have, sorry, Nani, didn't mean to cut you off, baby. We have Nani over there, and then we also have AK. So we're going to get started, and let's see what we come up with. First person that's going to show us what's in their nachos, we'll have AK go first. AK, baby, since this is your favorite meal, tell us what you got in your nachos.
So basically, I kind of did a vegetarian style. Pretty much, I put mushrooms, peppers, red peppers, yellow peppers, red peppers. I put tomatoes, mushrooms. Did I say mushrooms already? And onions and cheese. And then I'll add salsa to it. And I just keep it light and simple. Usually if I'm having like a late meal, this is what I prefer to do. Because it's easy on the stomach and eating late. And
this is her favorite meal, period. It'd be 1 in the morning and she will make nachos.
Morning, noon, and night for this one.
This is very true. I don't object to their comments.
Sounds good. And then we have Nani, my love. What's in yours?
Yes. Mine is vegan option because I'm still fasting for Lent. Easter is soon, so no cheese for me. But I got my nachos. They're the round circular ones. And I have pepperoncinis. I have tomatoes. I have red beans, corn, and salsa.
I love it. Skull and bones. That means it's probably hot. So for me,
and asparagus. Sorry, Jay. Asparagus. I forgot all about that.
Don't ever be sorry adding asparagus. I love asparagus. We have for me, I'm actually putting steak on mine. It's probably not healthy, but it's good. It's really not the healthiest. So I have steak on mine. I'm also going to be putting black olives. I just recently tried them a week ago and I actually love them. So I'm going to put them on everything to see how I like them. I also have a 4 pepper salsa, which I'm going to be throwing on there. Also, I'm going to be loading it up with some sour cream. I'm also going to chop some extra tomatoes because I love tomatoes. And these are the tortilla style that I'm going to be using. They're the regular little crunchy triangle ones. So I believe that is everything that's going to go on my nachos. And now we're going to load them up.
Yeah.
So I actually put mine in the oven already, but I'll pull it out and then you can see my end result. I couldn't wait. I'm sorry.
That's okay.
I'm getting ready to put mine in the oven, but I wanted to show you what it looked like. So give me one. How do I turn the camera?
I'm taking a drink break before I even start mine. I need some encouragement.
Ooh, that looks really good.
That looks beautiful.
It's colorful, right? Yum.
It's gorgeous. I like how you put the tomatoes in a circle. Emerald legacy.
I bet you it'd be bomb with sour cream.
Oh, it would. It would.
Yum.
Yeah. You can't have sour cream till Monday. But, sorry?
I was going to say, in the oven it goes, yum.
All right, so you're putting yours in the oven. I'm going to start loading mine up, and then I will show you guys what mine looks like.
Awesome.
So I want to comment that nachos is a really awesome meal.
Just be careful because a little bit of chips goes a long way, and you'll be eating nachos for days. You use too many, like I did the first time.
Ooh. Especially when you're piling on top a lot of ingredients, it makes for a fuller meal, and you don't really realize it. So sometimes you don't need everything that you cut up because it's just a lot.
I want a lot. They talking about me, sidebar, but I don't care. I want a lot on mine.
We're talking about you.
You always talking about me. Give me.
You want us to talk about you.
I do. I love you. I want you to talk about me forever and ever. All right.
How long do you bake your nachos for, Yessie?
Until I see the cheese melted the way I like it. Sometimes I like it when it's burnt at the top.
Let's see your nachos, AK. Ooh, cutesy. It looks so healthy.
It's a lot of red.
Yeah, it looks good.
Yeah, I was saying that I don't like to put the salsa towards the bottom because the nacho chips become soggy.
Jay, what kind of steak are you putting on your nachos?
Sorry?
What kind of steak?
Oh, it's just sirloin strips. I'm gonna cut them into little cubes and just sprinkle them around. Not too much steak because I try not to eat too much red meat a day. I shouldn't be eating it a day anyway, but technically our food pyramid says that we're allowed 6 ounces, so I try to eat no more than 6 ounces a day.
Mine is in the oven.
Well, that's good.
You need to heat up the beans and the cone.
No, I just got regular olives and salsa, and most of my stuff is cold. The sour cream, the tomatoes, so I wouldn't put it in the oven.
Ladies and gentlemen, you can make nachos any kind of way. There's not one standard kind of way. You can make it any way. That's the lovely ability of nachos. That's just my nacho thoughts. You know what I'm saying?
And while we're waiting for our nachos to be done, don't forget to like, follow, subscribe, so you can see all our other lovely videos where we argue with each other about random things.
Yes, because that is life. And as sisters, this is what we do. We help and motivate one another by shouting at one another.
And arguing.
And if you wait to the end, there's usually some bloopers. So enjoy.
Oh yeah, there's always a ton of bloopers.
Jay's still making. Why you look so angry when you're throwing the stuff on the nachos? You look big mad, like I'm cooking.
Fuck this! I should be on Grubhub.
Basically, that's probably what you. I could have ordered this from the Mexican restaurant down the street.
Then I could have supported a local business instead of making my own, but it's cool. I see my red bra. Yeah, no, I keeps it a little exciting. Sorry about that.
Hey, what else do you got to put on these nachos here?
All right, I'm done. Okay. Unfortunately, my nachos aren't as pretty as everybody else's. So, how do I show you guys?
All at the same time.
Oh, that looks good.
Can you see it?
You look Greek nachos.
That looks really good.
So, sorry guys, I know you can't see it. Maybe if I put the
That's good. And this is mine.
I got mine.
Here, hold on.
Hers. And
so thank you for joining us for AK the Baby's Nacho Thoughts.
Yes, and tell me all about your nachos and your thoughts and what you put on them. What do you use? What kind of cheese? What kind of salsa? What kind of nacho chips? I want to know all.
Yeah, make sure you comment below. Let us know your favorite toppings.
yes.
Maybe we'll try out your recipe.
Say it again.
I said maybe we'll try out some of your toppings as long as they ain't too wild.
And also, if you have something that you want us to try and cook or try to make that's not too hard on our pockets, don't play. It's a pandemic, y'all.
Yeah, tell them.
As long as it's something that you know that's reasonable, or you know below $50 per person or $40 per person in ingredients, we'll make it. Until then, this is a really quick video. We're trying to shorten it for you guys. Just wanted to give you some ideas of something that you can make that's quick for you or your kids or your boo. If you're trying to impress them and make like you know what you're doing, just throw some nachos, honey.
Or late night snack.
Or a late night snack. All right, so that's it for us. Thank you for joining us. Three Thick and Thin. I am Jay.
I'm Nani.
Okay.
All right. And
Bye.
Bye.
Peace.
$50 million hours.
Okay, how's those nachos?
You were recording.
I know. That's why.
Jay, you still recording.
It's going to be one of her bloopers.
Oh my God.
So, do you guys think it recorded?
No, sing, Yessie.
I can't. Okay. Hey, welcome back to our channel.
We're recording.
I can't do that.
Hi,
I told
everybody.
you to
I really.
Hi, everybody.
Oh,
This is
can we avoid this? Okay, hold on. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. No, hold on. You froze for a moment.
so Nani's the only one that has her shit together. I'm Jay, late to everything. This one's down here feeling away.
Ooh.
I don't hear anything.
Me? Me? Me?
I'm
Okay,
not
now I hear you say meh, meh.
AK, are you? I know. AK, are you
Get
ready?
it together. Hey, Beach Crew. Thanks for being with us.
Hi, everybody. This is Three Thick and Thin.
She has a special guest.
We're having sex. You want to see?
You're having sex? Cool.
20? 22?
Guys, I'm not even hungry now.
I wasn't hungry when we did the video.
Did you even eat that?
Me neither, but
Don't forget to like, follow, and subscribe for all of our videos.